A couple and their son were found dead inside their home in the community of Waterloo in SpanishTown, St. Catherine this morning. They have been identified as 43-year-old Omar Wellington, Saran Francis Wellington, 36, and 16-year-old Orlando Wellington, who was a student at Innswood High School in the parish. Police personnel were on the scene, combing for evidence. Investigators are also trying to ascertain if they were shot or stabbed. The Major Investigation Division has launched a probe into the matter. It is reported that residents stumbled on the bodies of the deceased about 5:30 a.m. and summoned the police. The police arrived and the bodies were found inside the dwelling. The community has been plunged into mourning. 3 women remain hospitalized after being shot at a bar along Redditch Road in St. Andrew. The incident occurred about 5:50 p.m. on Monday. The injured women were all of Redditch's addresses. Residents heard explosions and summoned the police. The injured women were rushed to hospital where they were admitted. The Westmoreland police were kept busy on Monday morning as they had to process 2 crime scene meters apart. Gunmen went on a rampage in the parish as they shot and killed a businesswoman in Little London and robbed a supermarket, leaving an elderly woman nursing gunshot wounds. Chinese nationals of Little One supermarket in the town were robbed of an undetermined sum of cash. Residents told Observer Online that they had to scamper for cover as the men fired a barrage of shots before escaping. When Observer Online arrived on the scene, it was like a ghost town as many businesses were shuttered. There was also heavy military presence in the town. Meanwhile, businesswoman Latavia Helps was shot and killed by men on motorbikes. The residents then attacked the alleged gunmen. One of the alleged gunmen died while the other was hospitalized under police guard. A Trelawney man is suspected to have drowned in the Thatch Hill River in St. Anne on Monday evening. He has been identified as 26-year-old Dujay Dean, otherwise called Bobo, of Spicy Hill, Duncans in the parish. According to police, around 6 p.m., residents raised an alarm after seeing Dean's body floating in the river. The Ocho Rios police have launched an investigation.